Donald Trump does not understand VAT. He's recently been criticising the EU VAT system, claiming that it acts like an import duty that unfairly targets US goods. This fundamental misunderstanding of how VAT works has led him to threaten reciprocal tariffs on the EU, where VAT is applied to imports. The UK also has a similar VAT system to the EU, so presumably it's also at risk. Trump is fundamentally mistaken, however. VAT is not an import tax. It functions in the same way as state sales taxes in the US, and applying tariffs in retaliation for VAT demonstrates a lack of understanding of international tax systems. VAT is a consumption tax applied to goods and services at every stage of production, but it's ultimately borne by the final consumer. In the UK, for example, a 20% VAT is charged on all goods sold domestically, whether they're imported or produced locally. This ensures a level playing field. Both imports and domestically produced goods are subject to the same sales tax when consumed within the UK. When US goods are imported into the UK, therefore, they face this 20% VAT, just as UK-made goods do. If VAT were not applied to imports, it would give foreign products an unfair price advantage over domestic ones. In essence, VAT is neutral. It doesn't discriminate against imports, but it ensures that all goods consumed in a country are taxed equally. Trump's rhetoric conflates VAT with tariffs, which are entirely different. A tariff is a tax specifically imposed on imports to protect domestic industries or raise revenue. In contrast, VAT is applied universally to all goods consumed within a country, regardless of origin. For example, a US-made car imported into the UK would pay 20% VAT. A UK-made car sold domestically also faces 20% VAT. This neutrality ensures fair competition between imported and domestic products. Trump's claim that VAT acts as an import duty ignores this fundamental principle. The US is one of the few countries without a national VAT system. Instead, it relies on state-level sales taxes, which function similarly, but are applied only at the point of sale to consumers in that state. This difference has led to confusion amongst some US policymakers who view VAT as an additional barrier to trade rather than a standard consumption tax as used worldwide. But here's the thing. UK and EU exporters are subject to the relevant sales tax when their goods are imported into a US state, exactly the same as what Trump is complaining about. VAT or sales tax, this is not an import duty. It's a neutral tax applied equally to all goods consumed within a country. By misunderstanding this basic concept, Trump risks igniting unnecessary trade disputes that could harm both American businesses and consumers. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I'd be very grateful for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.